Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Of course, your speaker should be connected with the app and then tap at your speaker. Now we need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have the line Update Firmware, so firmware is the same as software, and right here you have your current version. But also you can tap at this line, you check for updates, and it shows to you your current version here. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!